What makes the Tahoe Basin so unique and so captivating? I think the only way to describe it really is you have to come see it for yourself. For those of you who have been here and seen it, you know what I'm talking about. The Comstock silver lode, which was discovered in Virginia City in 1859, sparked an immediate expansion west to Lake Tahoe out of the need for lumber, actually, to build mine shafts, hotels, saloons, housing, etc. And the Tahoe Basin soon became a resort area due to the natural beauty of the place, of course, and quickly developed into an outdoor recreational paradise that we now know it as. With hundreds of miles of trail in the Tahoe Basin alone, including trails like the Tahoe Rim Trail and part of the Pacific Crest Trail. The Tahoe Meadows is a favorite for many since it links Lake Tahoe directly to Reno. Today I wanted to do a quick loop in the Tahoe Meadows on the snowshoes, and this is actually the third or fourth time this winter that I've gotten out to try the snowshoes, and every time I encountered hard-packed snow on the initial parts of the trail, so every time I've taken my snowshoes off, which I soon regret. Lake Tahoe was actually never on my list of locations to visit for any reason, natural or unnatural. I just had no interest in visiting Lake Tahoe. It just sounded like, a bougie tourist destination. It was the American Lake Como. Little did I know that there's just endless opportunities for outdoor activities. All right, everything's pretty hard. Everything's packed pretty hard. I think I'm going to ditch the snowshoes. I came up here to snowshoe, and if I end up using them, I'm going to be pissed. But everything seems really hard, so I'm not terribly worried about regretting leaving them behind. But not too far from the car, so I'm just going to take them back real quick. Keep going with the boots. This area is just really beautiful. You kind of connect to every trail in the Tahoe Meadows area and really the Tahoe Basin, because you can jump right on the Tahoe Rim Trail, which then connects to the PCT and several other large trails. But here in the Meadows, you can start it in any direction and really make your own trail or make your own loop. And this part that I'm doing kind of circles a wetland, so to speak. It was an old sheep grazing land, and now part of the National Forest, and just a beautiful area in any condition. And I really love it in the winter. Of course, I love it in the summer when it's not smoky, but if you get a chance, definitely check out the Tahoe Meadows. I do now regret leaving the snowshoes. I think I'll stop for a snack and make some coffee. Don't know why I abandoned the snowshoes. It was a dumb idea because I'm paying for it. My ankles are killing, my arches are killing. But figured after all the gear reviews recently, I'd just get out and shoot some nature stuff. Take you on one of my favorite trails up here at the Tahoe Meadows without snowshoes. Brilliant. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and make some coffee. It's really
peaceful, minus I can still hear the road. It's pretty far away, but people go flying up that road. So, and there were some people sledding up closer to the road as well, so I heard their screams, but them yelling in excitement. But let's make some coffee and eat, and then trek back because this is just so tiring. But it is beautiful out here. I love this area.
There's been a lot of change in my life recently. We just had our second baby, and there's still some more changes to come for our family and my channel. But thank you to those of you who have followed along and stuck with me. I'm definitely going to keep going. There's a lot of work ahead for me, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to keep on track and still give you guys really great videos. The Tahoe Basin, the Tahoe region, and the Reno-Carson region has not been on your radar for whatever reason. You definitely should put this on your radar because you're within reach of so much national forest on both east side and west side of this area, the Carson Valley, the Washoe County, Washoe Valley. There's just so much. You're 3 hours from the east entrance of Yosemite. A lot to do in this area, and Reno is a great base camp for that. I would highly recommend that you take a look at some opportunities in this area because it's just a stunning area and you won't regret making a visit here. Tahoe is just so beautiful and so peaceful, and there is endless opportunities, endless outdoor activities for you to partake of. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along. I will see you next time on The Real Adventure.